have you been into the wine industry? Were you interested in wine at all, or was it more from your father's side?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I was in university when I started this, so I was
Okay.
more into beer and other types of liquor. But my dad and my mom have always been into wine. It's one of their passions. So kind of through osmosis, I was learning more and more about wine. I remember in university, me and my friends would just buy really cheap bottles, and we thought we
Mm.
were posh and cool for drinking wine. We were really drinking like some low end $20 bottles of wine. Nothing wrong with that, by the way, but that's where we started. And then through InVintory, I just got introduced to so many different parts of wine that I never thought of, like the data and the history behind wine. You know, where did these bottles come from? How do you make wine? Um, even just like the brands, the different big brands in wine are really cool, and the families behind those, and the terroir and all that stuff. So just getting into it and having to build software for wine allowed me to just discover more about it and kind of fall in love with it that way.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.